Besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you are all good, because yeah, I'm good. So on today's video, I just want to show you guys how I made this beautiful twist on my natural fussy hair. So first, I hydrated and moisturized my hair. You all know that I can never work on my hair without moisturizing it, because it will make my work easier and also protect my hair as well. So guys, if you want to make any protective style, I think you should go for twist, because guys, twist is the number one protective style. Like, you can never go wrong with twist. Number one thing is that twist is going to give you access to your scalp. It is also going to give you access to your hair, and is also going to help you to retain length and a lot of moisture. So that is why I make twist my favorite protective style. Whenever I don't want to manipulate my hair, I go for twist. I don't know guys, I made this video months ago, but I forgot to post it, and I don't know why I just forgot to post this wonderful video, but then I am finally posting it right here right now, because you all know that my hair is longer than this already. Yeah, my hair is already longer than this. So this is actually an old video which I found so beautiful, and I also think that you guys are going to like it the way I like this. Guys, don't mind me. So that is why I am posting this video here for you guys, and for my natural girl, you all should make twist your favorite protective style. And thank me later. Bye. I'll see you guys on my next one. Please do watch to the end, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and welcome to the family.
Okay, turns out it's the other way. I'm really tired, but still standing trying to get it. Don't wanna live a life that I'd end up regretting. You know I never meant to hurt you. I hope you know I'll always love you. So alright, oh, alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Once again, it lasts away, but I find it's in the end. All my end will get away. Focus to get by the day. Alright, oh, alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, go. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, go. She took my heart and broke it twice. You left me out the wrecking. Between us, fight your face, and it's a feeling I love to chase. Can you free me like a tarot? Can you hit me on the blind side? Take another arrow to my heart like I don't mind. 'Cause I miss you like I'm bound to, when it's all undone again. Can you punch me in the chest, make it feel like an earthquake? Make me wonder how we even got here in the first place. 'Cause I miss you like I'm bound to, guess I'm all undone again. I don't think much if I don't have to. Bottoms up, I'm upside down. I was getting tired of love, didn't think I'd get past you, and I don't wanna miss you now. You didn't believe I could have an epiphany, making me bleed. Look what you did to me. But it's worth it in the long run, even when we fight sometimes. When I'm drunk and I'm lonesome, I wanna know how it feels to burn it down. Light me up like a fire.